Welcome to KVR Social Classes. In this video, we are going to learn about the islands, which is the part of first lesson, India Relief Features of 10th class Social. There are two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, stretched in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. These are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. This is Bay of Bengal. These are Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is an elevated portion of submerged mountain parts running from Myanmar mountain Arkan Yoma. This country is Myanmar. It is our neighboring country. These are the mountains called Arkan Yoma mountains. What are these? These are Arkan Yoma mountains. Where are they? They are located in Myanmar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are extension of the Arkan Yoma mountains. Arkan Yoma mountains extended towards south through Bay of Bengal. Some of the mountains merged in the Bay of Bengal. Some of the mountains elevated to the surface of the sea. So, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the elevated portions of the submerged mountains. This is Burma. Burma plate exists here. Burma plate exists here. This is Indian plate. This is Indian plate. This is Burma plate. It is a minor plate. Indian plate subsiding into the Burma plate. As a result of this subsidence, these mountains are formed. Arkan Yoma ranges, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, these formed due to the tectonic activity between Indian plate and Burma plate. Already you know that Indian plate collided with Eurasian plate. Due to this, Himalayas are formed. In this way, here also Indian plate collided with Burma plate and Indian plate subsiding below the Burma plate. Due to this activity, these mountains are formed. These mountains are located in Myanmar surface of the earth, but continuation of these mountains are located on the ocean floor. So some of the mountains merged into the sea, some of the mountains elevated to the surface of the earth. These elevated portions are called Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Sometimes this question may be asked to locate Andaman Islands. Sometimes may be asked to locate Nicobar Islands. Then you remember this upper portion, this portion are Andaman Islands. This portion of group of islands are Nicobar Islands. So we ever say Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We never say Nicobar and Andaman Islands. So Andaman Islands, first one is the first group of islands. Nicobar Islands, second one, is the second group of islands. It is the easy to memory these Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. There are also another two important islands. They are Narcondam, Barren. Narcondam, Barren. These two islands are volcanic origin. Volcanic origin. It means they may be erupted at some time. This is Narcondam, this is Barren. At present, Barren is active. First eruption was taken place in 1787. Latest eruption was taken place in 2017. This Narcondam Island did not erupt yet, but this is also volcanic origin. This is also very important in the examination point of view. What are the volcanic origin islands? What are the islands having volcanic origin? Answer: Narcondam and Barren. And it is also asked to point Narcondam on the map. Point Barren on the map. We already know these two are Narcondam and Barren. Sometimes we may forget whether this is Narcondam, whether this is Narcondam. Sometimes we may get confused. Then you follow a trick. This point is north to this point. This point is south to this point. So this point is in north, this point is in south. Narcondam word begins with N. North word begins with N. So the point which is in north is Narcondam, Barren. Remaining point is Barren Island. This is one trick to remember to locate Narcondam and Barren Islands. These Andaman Islands are divided into 4 groups: North Islands, Middle Island, North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, Little Andaman. These are Nicobar Islands. These are divided into 3 groups: Car Nicobar, Little Nicobar, Great Nicobar. You observe this. This is North Andaman. This is Middle Andaman. This is South Andaman. In this South Andaman, capital Port Blair is located. This is Little Andaman. So these 4 groups, North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, Little Andaman, these 4 groups together form Andaman Islands. Car Nicobar, Little Nicobar, Great Nicobar. Car Nicobar, Little Nicobar, Great Nicobar. These 3 group of islands form Nicobar Islands. So last one, southernmost island is Great Nicobar Island. Which is the southernmost island in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Great Nicobar Island is the southernmost island. This is the Indira Point. Southernmost tip of the India is Indira Point. Indira Point is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, or Indira Point is located in Nicobar Islands, or Indira Point is located in Great Nicobar Island. It is located on the 6 degrees 4 minutes north latitude. Indira Point is located on the 6 degrees 4 minutes north latitude. This Indira Point was submerged during 2004 tsunami. 2004, submerged during the 2004 tsunami. The earthquake was happened in the ocean. The Indian plate subsided below the Burma plate. Due to this, earthquake was occurred, and total Indira Point was merged. At that time, at Indira Point, there are 16 to 20 families were residing. Those families were lost, and there were 4 scientists. 4 scientists were also lost during tsunami. This Indira Point's earlier name is Pygmalion Point. Pygmalion Point was renamed as Indira Point in 1985. Srimati Indira Gandhi was our former Prime Minister. She was assassinated on 31st October 1984. After her death, this Pygmalion Point was renamed as Indira Point after the name of our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Sometimes in the examinations, this type of question may be asked that what is the southernmost tip of mainland of India? Southernmost tip of mainland of India. Then you have to answer Kanyakumari. Sometimes this question may be asked, what is the southernmost tip of India? Then you have to answer Indira Point. At Indira Point, there are only 4 families at present according to the 2011 census. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is an elevated portion of submerged mountain parts running from Myanmar mountain Arkanyoma. Here Myanmar mountain Arkanyoma. You have to correct these words as Arkanyoma mountains in Myanmar. Arkanyoma mountains in Burma. Like that, we have to correct the Burma or Myanmar. In Myanmar. Here, what is given? Myanmar mountain Arkanyoma. In this way, we have to correct Arkanyoma mountains. Which mountains? Arkanyoma mountains. These mountains are located in which country? Myanmar country. Like this, we have to correct this word, these words. In Telugu medium also, మయన్మార్ కొండలు అర్కన్ యోమా నుంచి మొదలుకొని అని ఉంది. దీన్ని ఎలా చదువుకోవాలి? మయన్మార్లోని అర్కన్ యోమా కొండల నుంచి అని చదువుకోవాలి. మయన్మార్లోని అర్కన్ యోమా కొండల నుంచి మొదలుకొని అని ఆ విధంగా చదువుకోవాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్షన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్. సో Andaman and Nicobar Islands starts from which range? Arkan Yoma ranges. This is about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands located in Bay of Bengal. Indian plate and Burma plate collided. Due to this activity, Arkan Yoma ranges and the continuation of hills were formed due to the collision of Indian plate and Burma plate. These Andaman and Nicobar Islands extension of Arkan Yoma mountains in Burma. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are also mountains, but these are the elevated portions of the submerged mountains. Elevated portion of the submerged mountain parts. There are two islands which have volcanic origin, Narkondam and Barren Islands. These two islands are volcanic origin. It means they may erupt at some time. At present, Barren Island is active island. Narkondam, Barren Islands are active islands. Narkondam Island is inactive island at present. In the map, there are two dots. Look at this. This is one dot. This is another dot. These two dots represent Narkondam and Barren Islands. This point is in north. So this is Narkondam. This point is in south. This is Barren Island. Barren Island first erupted in 1787. Last eruption was taken place in 2017. Andaman Islands are divided into 4 groups: North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman and Little Andaman. The islands which are in the southern side, they are Nicobar Islands. These are in this group of islands in north. These group of islands in north. These group of islands in south. So these group of islands are Andaman Islands. These group of islands are Nicobar Islands. 10-degree channel. These two groups of islands, that is Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands, divided by the 10-degree channel. It means this is 10-degree latitude. 10-degree latitude. 10-degree latitude. So this name is 10-degree channel. Width 150 kilometers. Width is 150 kilometers from north to south. This divides Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. North to the 10-degree channel, Andaman Islands. South to the 10-degree channel, Nicobar Islands. Last southernmost island is Great Nicobar. This is Great Nicobar. Last one, Great Nicobar. Indira Point, 6 degree 4 minutes. Last one, southernmost tip of the India. 6 degrees 4 minutes. 6 degrees 4 minutes. Earlier name is Pygmalion Point. This Indira Point was renamed after our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. She was assassinated on 31st October 1984. Pygmalion Point was renamed as Indira Point on 10 October 1985. Southernmost tip of mainland of India. Whether it is asked as mainland of India, then answer is Kanyakumari. This is Kanyakumari. Southernmost tip of India. When it is asked southernmost tip of India, then answer should be Indira Point. This is the last point, Indira Point. During 2004 tsunami, 16 to 20 families and 4 scientists were lost. At present, there are 4 families according to 2011 census. Now, we know about another group of islands, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are of coral origin. Now I explain about coral origin. What are the corals? Look at this picture. These are corals. Corals are a tiny sea animal. Very, very small, tiny animal. Their bodies are very soft. So, they absorb calcium carbonate from the seawater and they made skeleton around their body with calcium carbonate. They made skeletons around their body absorbing calcium carbonate from the seawater. And they also have polyps. These are called polyps. In these polyps, zooxanthellae. This is one type of microorganic algae. This is one type of algae, and this is one type of plant. This is animal. One type of animal. Algae is one type of plant. These plants grow inside the polyps. So algae depend on the coral. Coral depend on the zooxanthellae. Zooxanthellae give food to corals. Coral give shelter to zooxanthellae. So these two are depend on each other. These corals live, millions of corals live in colonies. COLONIES. Millions of corals live in colonies. They don't move from this side to that side. They station at a place. In millions of corals live at a place and they don't move. These are called coral reefs. For their growth, they require some conditions. Warm water. Second one, less depth. Third one, clear water. Fourth one, lighting. These four are required for the growth of corals. The water should be warm. Andaman Nicobar Lakshadweep islands are nearer to the equator, so the water is warm. Depth is low because they grow on the hills which are submerged in the Arabian Sea. The water is clear. Because the depth is low, the lighting also is available. Lighting is not available in the higher depths. So, in the deeper places, corals cannot live. I explain by drawing this is the surface of the seawater. This is the seawater. There are some hills which are submerged in the sea. This is a hill. This is submerged in the Arabian Sea. So, depth is less. This water is also warm because these are located near the equator. Water is also clear. Clear water is available here. And lighting also available here because the depth is low. In this type of conditions, in these conditions, corals can live. So corals live here. Along with corals, zooxanthellae, algae also live along with corals. They live in colonies. They station here. They don't move. They grow over time. After death of one generation of corals, another generation of corals live on the top of the bodies of the skeletons. Another generation of corals live here. After some period, this generation of corals also will die. On the top of these bodies, another generation of corals live. The process continues. Finally, they reach the surface. And this look like as a circle shape. This is called atoll. This mountain, due to the density of plate, gradually sinks into the earth. The mountain gradually sinks into the earth. The coral reefs gradually rises up to the surface. Finally, they reach surface and form in a circle shape, that is atoll. This is the atoll. There are 12 atolls in the Lakshadweep Islands. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is the picture of atoll. Coral reefs reaches the surface. After reaching the surface, these places are covered with sand, clay, etc., brought by waves and winds. These are filled with sand and clay, and trees begin to grow here. Finally, this place transmitted as an island. This type of island is called atoll. This is the picture of the atoll. This type of atolls are 12 in the Lakshadweep Islands. This is about coral origin. At a glance, we repeat about Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Ocean, or Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Geographical area is 32 square kilometers. It is very important question. What is the area of Lakshadweep Islands? It is given in our textbook. That is 32 square kilometers. Its total geographical area is 32 square kilometers. These are coral origin. I already explained you what is coral origin. Which islands are coral origin? Answer is Lakshadweep Islands are coral origin. Which islands are volcanic origin? Narcondam and Barren Islands are volcanic origin. Flora and fauna. It means there are in coral reefs many plants and animals live together. A number of plants, a variety of plants, a variety of sea animals live in the coral reefs. 1% of the coral reefs occupies 1%. Coral reefs occupy 1% of the ocean floor. Coral reefs occupy 1% of the ocean floor, but they accommodate 25% of the marine life. But they are the shelter for 25% of marine life. So biodiversity is there in coral reefs. So this is the another phenomena of Lakshadweep Islands. You have to remember these 4 points only. Where are they located? Arabian Sea. What is geographical area? 32 square kilometers. What is the origin? These are coral origin. What are the famous for Lakshadweep Islands? They are famous for flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means plants and animals. A variety of plants, a variety of animals live together in the coral reefs. Corals, tiny sea animal. They have polyps. These are the polyps. Live in colonies in millions. Millions of corals live together. They don't move. They station at a place. They have soft skin bodies, built skeletons with calcium carbonate. They absorb calcium carbonate from the seawater and make skeletons for their safety. Zooxanthellae, microscopic algae, live in polyps. Corals and algae depend on each other. Corals do not move, they station at a place. Corals grow and die. On these dead skeletons, another generation of corals grow. This process continues and they grow towards surface. Finally, they come out of the surface. They form in a circular shape. Gradually, these reefs are filled with sand, soil brought by waves and winds. Plants begin to grow here and finally transformed into an island. This is called atoll. In this video, we learnt about the islands, that is Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Thank you.